Hey guys, so today I'm back with a cooking video. I'm doing a cooking video for our very first time. Yep, I'm going to be showing you how to do or make some custard because Umo girl is craving for some custard. So you're going to be doing your homemade one. You're gonna need your custard. I have the vanilla flavor, and then you're gonna need some sugar, and then you're gonna need your milk. Any type of milk is good that you have, and then you're going to need your water. This is like warm water for me when I'm mixing. That's what I am going to be doing. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to boil your milk. Let's get to that right away. So this is my pot. I'm gonna lit my stove to a very high temperature so it will be fast as it is boiling. So you're gonna take your milk, shake it. I don't want to do too much. I'm just gonna do some minimum, not too much. You just know how much you need. I'm not that person who usually measures my things, but I can tell that okay, that's enough or it's not enough. Right, so I'm not gonna close my pots because I'm assuming that like when it boils it might spill. Actually it will spill if it boils and it overheats, so I won't close it, but I can try to close it so it will be faster, but I won't close it completely. Right, let's get to the mixture part of the process. While we are waiting for our milk to boil, I have my bowl here. I love this bowl so very much because I use it to bake some dough or some dombolo with it. So you're gonna pour your custard powder to your bowl. I don't know why it's dark, so I must stand a bit back. You're gonna pour. It's up to you how much do you want, but I'm just gonna go with 3 spoons because we don't want too much of custard. Right, and then we're gonna add some sugar. I have brown sugar here with me, so I'm gonna add around 3 spoons. You can add 1 to 2 spoons depending on how much you can tolerate sugar. For me, I love sugar so much, but I'm trying to minimize the intake of sugar that I am having, but baby steps, right? Then you're gonna add water so it will mix, right? Then you're gonna start mixing. Oh, doesn't want to mix properly. Okay, let me add this here and close the lid. Then we're gonna mix and mix and mix. So I can feel the powder at the bottom of the dish, so I'm making sure that it is entirely mixed because wow, okay, it is definitely mixed. Yes. So I used warm water because it takes forever for the sugar to dissolve. So as it's warm water that is added on the mixture, the sugar is going to definitely dissolve faster. Yep, that's how it is looking like. It's plain. It doesn't has any those hard balls. I don't know what they call them, but it is like perfectly mixed. So now as we are waiting for our milk to boil, I'm gonna come back after it has boiled. So my milk is starting to boil. What I'm gonna do right now, I removed the lid because it might spill as the milk is already warm, and I also minimized the heat from my stove because I put it on high to help the milk to boil faster. So the milk is already boiling. So the milk is already boiling, it has bubbles. Now I'm gonna pour the custard. Then once I'm pouring, I'm gonna make sure that I stir completely without stopping. That's gonna help the custard to be creamy and fine. So I'm gonna stir and stir until the custard is mixed well with the milk, and the custard, oh my gosh, is starting to be too very thick. I'm gonna try to add some milk because it's getting very, very thick. So once it's done boiling, I'm gonna serve it. Look how thick and creamy it is. Oh my gosh. So now it's done and ready to be eaten. So I'm gonna serve it right away. Make sure there's no leftover here. And to make it more tasty, I'm gonna add some banana. If you have your strawberry or any fruits that you have, you can add it to your meal. So for me, I felt like adding some banana onto it. Not too much. You can also add nuts, almonds. It's totally up to you, or strawberry or some berries, any fruits of your liking. So let me show you the final product. Look, you all, look, it's ready to be eaten right away. So once you are done, you can eat your custard. Very delicious, right? So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Love you all.